Hi there, Shauna Maitland, Coldwell Banker, Weir Manual. Driving to work this morning and it's going to be 46 and sunny. To me, that is an ideal winter. And it has helped keep our market busy. I know a lot of people are thinking about waiting until spring to put their home on the market so that they can use the landscaping and the new flowers and everything kind of coming back to life as an advantage and more of a decorating piece. But our market has not slowed down because of the winter months. It's been too mild. It has been very active. So instead of spending time on a home that you're trying to sell, doing the landscaping and the spring flowers and getting all of that together, why don't you put your home on the market right now, and that way you can be in your new home in time to plant flowers and do the landscaping and get it all beautiful for the summer. That way you'll get to enjoy it all summer long and for all the years to come. If you're worried about decorating tips or ideas or not having the home kind of where you want it to be in order to show it, don't worry. I got plenty of decorating ideas that I'd be more than happy to share with you and get it going so we can get your house sold. Give me a call, Shauna Maitland, Coldwell Banker, Weir Manual.